the street dogs they are calling attention काढले
See, you know the dogs are man's best friend. And I love dogs, so I can't see dogs being hurt. Even when the dog is sometimes, very badly wounded, I feel pity for the dog, but of course I can't go and touch the dog. But I don't like dogs being out in the cold. Sometimes in Delhi, I'm put like this thing is put up for the dog and the dog stands in the pavement or the footpath. But stray dogs, yes, we are having increase in the number of stray dogs, and that's what was a concern in the house, especially in the coastal belts where they are biting tourists and the lifeguards. And I have seen a natural tendency, dog sees a child and dog attacks a child. Normally, look at this. You might have not noticed it, but when they are children, the dog knows that this child is scared of him. But if he sees a huge person, he never goes and attacks. So this is one thing, because sometimes guriya ekle hoitat iskla, and then suppose they are attacked by a dog, they can't fight that dog. So that becomes one area of concern. आणि तुम पळयला आसतले कितले पाटी आमी गाडी घेवन वयतात तेन्ना, स्पेशली 2 व्हिलर्स, एटलीस्ट 4 व्हिलर्स आसेत, ते सगळे होल पॅक कम्स रनिंग बिहाइंड यू, and if you try to stop you get worried that कांस मारीत म्हण. So I think that is a real concern. I did not suggest to the house that every म्हणटा गांवशाळा आतां सोन dog shelter and कितू dog shelter कितले घातले, then you must look after how the dog is taken care of, what food you are giving, who will pay for all this. Stray dogs, because at least cow you can say is brought from your municipality or your village panchayat. Stray dogs are just coming from one place to another. If you go to run and catch them, they'll reach another village. So who will have to be? The cow cannot run at that speed. So I felt that the government needs to do it. Another thing, I made one suggestion that to John Dittalya, because I know that it's not right. But tinga garbage hoitat, poti hoitat. Te sone te haupa hoitat magi. Even cows are going to eat that garbage, which is very sad, because afterwards you find plastic inside them. So I felt that one step could have been that you designate a place, and if you have a place where you give food, remember one thing: it's not like you tell a fish to come here, but a dog will smell and he will come. And when a dog knows that I get food at that place, dogs will be at that place or around that place waiting, and they will know the food timing, so that they will come over there. That is in the larger interest of people. Then at least people will know, okay, this is a place where the dogs are to be fed, we won't go around that area. Because otherwise, if a dogs are everywhere and you throw food anywhere, sometimes from a hotel or restaurant you feel pity, you just throw the bones outside or anything outside. Dogs are bound to be there. So I think it's also part of our hygiene. आम्ही साफ करतात जाल्यार there are no rats, no cockroaches in our house. So same way, dogs will come only when you are feeding them. If you don't feed, they won't come. So I think that we also have to play our part. I can't say the government must do all this every time, but there is a responsibility of the government when they have this kind of program for stray dogs, for stray cattle. Then I think the government needs to intervene, because it is a major issue, because people can't go complaining we went to go and got bitten by dog.
So stray dogs थोडे ब्रीड इंडियन बँड आहा तरी सुद्दां लोक ताणें इन्सिडंट जेन्ना हायलायट करता तेन्ना मेन्शन करता ताचेर तुमचें म्हणणें कितें?
हांवें पळयलां एक नोटिफिकेशन आयिल्लें म्हणून केंद्र सरकाराचो proposal to ban, but no, and they recommended the banning, but I have not seen the ban as yet. If you have found it, just show it to me, because at least of about 23 dogs were there in that list. So there's only a proposal to ban it, and not that it was a order of banning, because dogs are not, it's a concurrent list, so the central government cannot tell every state to ban. The state may have to identify. Now, two things I will say, even coming back to this, but also about the stray dogs. Two stray dogs third आमगे गांवांत पासना, forget beaches, but गांवांत तेन्ना third party, they are outside the place where they will get food. They are outside the place where they are looked, somebody has some good word for them. Of course, they may attack some people who are bad to them. Maybe they have a certain bend of mind to attack certain people. हांव एक example सांगता. मोरगांव आसतालो तेन्ना एक स्टॅम्प वेंडर येतालो आमगे घरा कडेन, आनी आमगे कुत्रो डॉबरमॅन आशिल्लो, तो कोणाक आसना नासलो, आनी आमी सांगताले, म्हजो बापूय सांगता, तो कांय करना, पूण फकत त्या शाडल्यान वयता तेगे पांय धरतालो. सो यू नेवर नो हाव अ डॉग थिंक्स. So maybe a dog may have certain fear of somebody and attacks that one person. Maybe the dog has been stoned by that person. So you never know how the dog is reacting to that one person. Sometimes dogs in the vicinity could be a boon or a blessing. When a stranger comes, which could be a stranger who's visiting or could be a robber, the dogs are alerted and immediately they bark, they chase that fellow. So it also becomes a protection which we don't realize, which could happen. So sometimes that can be the thing. Now coming back to your dogs of these hybrid, you know I have a Doberman now who's gentle, who's very kind, but his grandfather was also my dog. He was ferocious. The grandfather was called Tiger. He never allowed anyone inside. Even at the gate, he would put his nose and try to catch your toe. Like this he was. He was a ferocious fellow. But this Doberman is a gentle one. So you never know. It all depends how you bring up the dog or maybe the temperament of a dog. It's not necessarily the breed makes him violent. You can train him to be violent. You can train him to be, tough. So I believe that it's not necessarily the breed. Of course, there are certain breeds like Rottweiler and all that which they say are by nature only like that. Sometimes जेव्हा आमगे वो असता तो बॉक्सर आहा पळयला तेगे तोंड पळयला तो भिता पूण तो इतलो अफेक्शनेट येतलो तो जोडगी मातलो किस मारपाक तुका सो लायक दॅट इट इज थँक्यू
आता तुझ्यावर वन मोर थिंग फाटल्या फावटी गव्हर्मेंटान रेबीज फ्री म्हणून मिशन केलें वॅक्सिनेशन केलें इंजेक्शनां स्टेट सगळें पण तेन्ना तेंच्यानी थोडें ऑपरेशनूय केलें म्हणून
आय तें चिंचालां रेबीज फ्री म्हणून कितें जाता ते घास मारले म्हूण गॅरंटी घास मारपाक बॉम्ब करता म्हूण गॅरंटी ना आनी सपोज तुवें ते कॅस्ट्रेट केलो स्टरलायज केलो ते कोताले कॅस्ट्रेशन पयलें यू ओनली स्टॉप द मल्टिप्लिकेशन ऑफ द डॉग वेन यू स्टरलायज यू ओनली स्टॉप द मल्टिप्लिकेशन डज इट मेक हिम लेस फेरोशियस आई आस्क दिस इन द हाउस यू अंडरस्टँड इन्वेस्टिगेट केलें म्हणून ही विल बिकम परहॅप्स मे गेट मोर फेरोशियस यू नेवर नो दॅट
तरी डॉग